Okay, same thing here. For every 2 students, there's 1 teacher. So whatever you do to the top, it's making equivalent ratios like we did on Monday, just in a table now. You have 2 over 1, so I'm going to pick 2. Whatever I do to the top, I have to do the bottom. So 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now if I were to now drag this over, because whatever you got to stay in line with each other. Whatever you do to the top, you have to do the bottom. So I'm just going to keep the pattern. I'm going to do 3. 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. So my equivalent ratios for 2 over 1 in a table is 4 over 2, 6 over 3. So let's look at the next one. You have for every 5 giraffes, there are 12 cheetahs. So your ratio is 5 over 12. So stick with it. Whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So 5 times 2 is 10. 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, so now we sit here and we're like, okay, well, let's keep the pattern going. Let's do 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 12 times 3 is 36. Now, I could have done 10. I didn't have to do 3, but I did. You choose. As long as it follows the pattern. As long as you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Okay? So that's the basics of equivalent ratio tables.